Welcome back, my dear students. This is Usama Kashwa, and this is a new class in the investments, investment decisions. So we will go here directly now to the investment appraisal, how we will take a decision to invest in money or not. If we say, as example, a table like this table in front of me, a cash flow for investment alternatives, we have three projects, project one, project two, project three. And each project of them generates inflows. Inflows means earnings, means coming to me profits, money coming in. So on the first year, we spent already 100,000 for project A or project one. We spent for project two 125,000, and we spent for project three 200,000. Perfect, 200,000. Now if we want to compare between the three projects, we will check out the flow, the inflow. We have two things. Inflow means earnings or money coming to you, but outflow means expenses. So we will check the inflows. The inflow for the first year for project one was 25,000. And for the second year, 25,000, and third year, 25,000, and fourth year, 25,000, and fifth year, 25,000. That's fine. So for project one, I will say the earnings will be 25,000 yearly multiplied by times. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 225 multiplied by 5, that will give me 125,000. Exactly, if you brought as example, made a factory, the factory costs you $100,000, but it will give you in the first year, it will give you money comes to your pocket 25,000 in the first year, and 25 in the second year, and 25 in the third year, and 25,000 in the fourth year, and 25,000 in the fifth year. So that means in the 5 years, you will get 125,000, which is 25,000 multiplied by 5. Okay, 125,000, but I spent already in the start of the project, I spent money, lands, and buildings and machines of $100,000. So the rest will be profit. So your profit will be 125,000 minus the 100,000. Then this will give you 25,000 as profits. So this is the project one. Same thing I will do for project two, and same thing I will do for project three. And I will calculate which one will give me greater money. The larger the number, which I will get, the one which I will select. So if the second one will give me 30 by 5, this is 150, will give me 175. But I spent 125. So 175 earnings minus expenses 125, this will give me 50,000. Still, it is greater than first one. The first one gave me only 25,000. Third one is like this: 60 plus 60, 120, and 80, 300, 200,000, and 60. 260 minus 200,000, that will give me 60,000 profits, net profit 60,000. So the first one gave me 25,000, the second one gave me 50,000, the third one gave me 60,000. So project three is better than project two and project one. So this is actually is not taking the money value into consideration. And this is a big problem because you didn't take the money value into consideration. So what I will do, if I have to calculate the net present value, a net present value means the discount, means today's dollar is not after 1 year, the value of the dollar is changing because of the inflation. And after 2 years, the value will decrease. So this we call it net present value. So to get into the net present value, we have the tables. I showed you the tables before, and we can work on it. We will look down 10% discount, and we'll check the time value of the dollar. Dollar after 1 year with interest rate of 10%, it will be 0.909. And the same dollar after 2 years, it won't be a dollar like now. It will be 0.82, like 82 pennies, 82 cents. The first year it will be around 90 cents. Second year it will be around 82 cents, the value of it. Third year will be 75 cents from now. Okay. Fourth year will be 68 cents. And the fifth year it will be 62 cents. Still, we didn't finish. We have to multiply the cash flow divided by the discount rates to have a real number or a real estimation for the cash inflow. But this we say weighted by the net present value. So this will be the value of the cash. Like when I multiply 25,000 by 0.909, it will give me 22.725. And the second year, 25,000, this is my earnings, divided by the discount rate, the present value of the dollar after 2 years will be 82 cents. 82 cents. Then 25,000 by 82 cents, it will be, it's 25. It's real 25, but it's now considered after 2 years, it will be less, like $20,000, 0.6550 now. This is the meaning of it. So what I will do is I will take the cash flow and multiply by the discount rate. How did I get these numbers? These numbers in the table. What is the table saying? The table is saying the discount under 10%. Let me show you how we will get the discounts. Let me show you how we will get the discount rates. Let me show you how we will get the discount rates. Discounts rate, we will get it through the tables, the financial tables. Here as example, is the financial tables for the net present value. And I will go for the 10%, the number of the 10% as example, and we'll check for how many years I need the net present value for 10 years. And I will go, I'll find the number here. Anyhow, this number, it will be given to you in the exam. So you won't find any problem, or in the assignment, I will give it to you. All you will do is to just multiply. You will only multiply the cash flow divided by the discount factor, and it will give you the value with the net profit, the net present value, net present value. Okay, so now they are 94,750. This is the cash flow. But the initial capital investment had been 100,000. What I spent for this factor, it was 100,000. So like this way, I will say 94,750 minus the 100,000. This will give me net present value will be minus 5250. It's the difference between the value of the cash flow and the value with the discounted factor. It will be 5,250. Thank you so much. Thank you.